Yo, what's up mga kapiling? So yun, good morning. So today is maghahanap tayo ng model for the day dito sa atin sa kalsada. Maghahanap tayo kasi sabi ko 'di ba ng last video is subukan kong maging masipag mag-upload daily. So ngayon na yun, maghahanap tayo ng model for the day. Shoutout pala kay James TV. Ito yung logo niya. So yun, abangan nyo na lang yung magiging details natin ngayon kung sino yung makikita nating model. So, thank you and let's go!
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain.
Bata sa taas, ayun. Ano na eh? Ayun, sunod.
Okay. Yo, what's up mga kapiling? So, sa kalagitnaan na dito na sa bundok kami ngayon. Yung sana picture namin, no? Yung mga naglalaro na lalaro na mga mangyan. Pero may nakita kami diwata. Diwata ay nasa kubo. Usapin ko. Kahit na diba may sorbo tayo. Pwede yung isama sa content. Kasi ladies. Kasi ako feeling photography. Pwede ka ba picturean? Okay lang? Okay lang. Sige, dito tayo siguro sa tayo maganda. Siguro pwede dito. Maganda. Tara dito tayo saglit. Ito ka. Kami video. Dito ha. Pwede ka upo dito. Taga-saan ka? Tugtugin. Kapapasal ka dito. Dito lang.
lansangan, madami kang madadaanan. Dapat diretso ang tingin, wag kakaliwat kanan. Hindi makapaniwala sa tangi mong kagandahan. Nung una kang makita, muntik na akong mapulunan. Ang aking matang sa dilim, di nakakakita. Ilusyon lamang pala na ikaw ay makakasama. Mag-ingat sa paligid, baka ikaw na ang makarmasama. Dong walang tumataas, lahat bumababa ng lubid. Gumapos, ikaw lang ang tatapos. Isa't tabi upuan sa buhay makaaraos. Nasayang na lamang, walang paalam. Tinulak ng sarili kang mali ang naranasan. Iniwan ang nakaraan na parang panaginip. Ang nalisan ng mga problema at sarili pinakinggan. Hindi nalihad ang mga balakid na nasa daan hanggang magpursige hanggang malaman ang katotohanan.